Hi, how is everybody? I just got a big box. Look, it's so big I can't fit it all in the picture. It's not that heavy, it's just big. So I thought I better open it quick. So we had free shipping last week, so I grabbed a couple of things. There's my details, Fiona Fernandez in Pyrmont. And if you just go to my website there, FionaFernandez.stampinup.net, you can go shopping too. Or see my events or look at my projects. I put some projects on there that you can use. That most of them link through to a shopping cart, and I also tell you when I made them, like, so you can look it up in my YouTube channel. Look how big this is. This we call a BBB, a big brown box. Stampin' Up world. Right. Lots of air in there because I didn't order that much. I thought, wow, that's a big box. Look how big it is. Woo. There we go, lots of air. Let's get the air out of there. So I did the scrapbooking retreat, as you might know if you've been watching me on social media. And so when you buy the scrapbooking kit, you can still get it. It's called the month by month album, and this is a packet of the top load memory protector value pack sheet. So we've got the side bits here to put into the album, and it loads from the top of the sheet. So it's got like a stitching look on it there, and the load will be at the top here. And I bought a packet of these because I thought they'll come in handy for the next lot of scrapbooking I do as well. And the other thing was Stampin' Up, they missed one protector sheet in the kit. So what happens is now is if you buy the kit, or if you already bought the kit, you should have been sent a coupon code already to use. They're giving us a coupon code so we can put towards an order. I mean, these are not $25, but we got a coupon code for $25 because they missed one sheet in the order. So that was pretty good. So I put it towards my order, and I'll put that up there. And I got the album. We'll get that out in a minute. I wanted this bundle so I can use it with other scrapbooking and also cards. So I'll show you it. That's a cling stamp set. So cling stamps are the red rubber. And when you get those, you just get the stickers separately, the labels, and you pop them onto the stamps. So I have that in other videos that I've done, or if you watch me live, sometimes I'm showing you that. And this comes with a cute little stamp set, die set. So when I get little dies like this, I actually keep them inside the stamp packet so that I don't lose them, because they're hard to see on the shelf when they're individual like this. I'll just get them out for you. Let's see what you get. I really thought they were cute. Look, you get this little note page, like it's already cut out, like a torn page, and little arrows. They'd be great for putting in, if you're using a diary or just doing a little notebook for someone. Little paper clip thing here, and little paper clips, so you can cut them out of all different colours. And a little heart. I love that and star. So cute. So that's my little dies to go with that. Just a note set. I got some new blends because recently I've pulled out some of my blends and I've done something to one of them. One of these, I was doing something with it once and I wrecked the nib on it. So I thought, right, time for a new set. So I've got cherry cobbler and old olive. So they come in a pack of 2, the blends. And here we go. This is why the box is so big. Look, I decided to get one black. It's 12 by 12. And this is the D-Ring album. And if you look in your catalogue, let me just grab the catalogue. Put one over here. So if you look in your catalogue, you'll find it. It'll be on the website too if you just search D-Ring. Where are we? Memory keeping, journal pens, albums, page 74 to 75. See up the top there? I haven't ordered any more of those flip-flap things yet because I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with them. I thought I'll get an album, and that way I can have one on my stall when I do a stall, and have one on display for you. So this is, I'll get it out of the box in a second. But they do 2 different styles. So I've bought the D-ring style, and they make this other one as well, which is called a post album. So you can see the difference in the way you put your pages in. So what I've read is the D-ring's good if you're going to be adding to it a lot. The post one's better if you're doing like a set thing and you won't be opening it all the time. You can still open it, but it's easier to open the D-ring one. So that's where the memory protectors are as well that I just showed you. So I've got the top load one, and they're $53. You get 25 page protectors in that, so it's not bad. And then you've got the side strap ones as well. And then you've got your flip-flops on the other page. And that's where you'll find them. Let's get into it and open this box. I'll look at how to open it. Hang on. Oh, who's there? Dimity. Hi, Dimity. Just on my phone today, doing my live. I hope it doesn't go flat. I don't think it will. This isn't too heavy. It's quite a nice size. Oh, look at that. Nice box. Look at that. So if you, oh wow, you know, if you created an album for someone and did it as a gift, you could even decorate the box. Look how nice that box is. Let's put it back down now. Oh, see if I can get it back down. Can I? Good. Got my flaps all stuck. Got my flaps all stuck. There it goes. So this is the album. It's got a picture of me on it. Look, just joking. Here I am. Hello. Let's get the plastic off that. Hang on, I'll take the plastic off over here. It's a bit hard in the box there. I'll just get the plastic off it, and you can have a really good look at it. And once I get my pages finished, I do plan to have this with me when I do stalls. People can see them in stalls. Put that in the plastic pile. So that comes with a nice big solid bit of cardboard to hold it. It's quite hollow, that piece. Just like that. It's just a hollow piece. Let's go in the middle, over there. And then you've just got your little gel things to keep everything dry in there. That's so beautiful. Let's put the lid down. If I can open it. Yep, there we go. That's how big it is. Let me just find a sheet. Hang on a minute, I packed it all away. Let's just get a page out. Sure, I can find you one. Let's find a page. Quick. Here we go. January. There we go. I can put my first page in. Look. January. Pinch your fingers, and that's what it looks like. And I've got to do a cover page. I've seen a few people's cover pages now. I really like the idea of because it's a month by month thing, of using that stamp set that's got the calendar, the months on it. Oh, there it is. Got it here somewhere. Oh no, it might be up on the shelf. I think it's up on the shelf. What's it called? Year to use something. Put in the letter Y today. Year of flowers. Our team has a challenge going for a letter every day. And Y, it was Y today. So I put this in there. Year of flowers you could do for the month by month. A year of flowers in there. They've all got the little months on them. And then you can have your month by month album. Look at that. So I haven't cut any holes in this one. The idea is that you can pull these things out, but at the moment I haven't. I've cut some holes in some of them, but not many of them. So there you go. That's what I bought this week, and I'll be doing my normal live on Wednesday night. And, oh, I've got some exciting news. I'm in the process of working with someone, collaborating, to do an online card class at the end of the month. So I'll be putting something up about that as it happens. Okay. Thanks for joining me. If you want anything or to contact me, there's my details. And I'll catch you later. Ciao.